I am tired of hearing people say, I want to start investing, but I can't. Or I want to start investing, but I don't know how to start investing. I don't want to jump in too early. I don't want to jump in too late. But listen to me right now, because right now is the best time to start investing. Yesterday was the best time to start investing. Last week was the best time to start investing. Today is the best time to start investing. So in today's rant video, I'm going to give you some simple steps on how you can start investing today, because we need to be prepared for retirement. We need to have a good retirement when we get older. So I'm going to tell you how you can literally invest, and you can take pauses in this video and actually follow me step by step on how to invest your money in 2025. So the first thing you're going to do is open a brokerage account. Now, I like Fidelity, but you can open one through Vanguard, Charles Schwab, M1 Finance. There's so many different brokerage accounts out there, and you can easily find a brokerage by typing in Google brokerage accounts to retire, brokerage accounts for my Roth IRA. You're going to get a list of brokerage accounts that you can open for free. So we have not even paid any money yet. We open a brokerage account for free. So go right now, go to Google and type in brokerage account for retirement, and you're going to see a list of brokerage accounts. I recommend Fidelity, but whatever you want to use, you can use. So open a brokerage account so we can start investing into our future. Now, when you get to your brokerage account, you're going to find out what you want to invest your money into. Whether you want to open a Roth IRA, a taxable brokerage account, those are really the main two that I use. So pick one, a taxable brokerage account or a Roth IRA. It doesn't matter, just pick one. Well, let's go for a Roth IRA because you get the tax benefits, because it's average tax dollars, and once you turn 59 and a half, you can pull those dollars out tax free. So if you have $2 million in that account by 59 and a half, you can pull out $2 million tax free. And then we're going to add money to the account. So how much money are you able to add to this account? Now, I'm not saying you have to add $100. I'm not saying you have to add $1,000. You can add $50. You can add $10. You can add $20. However much money you have at the end of the month, you can add that to your account. So I like to add $200 or $300 to my brokerage account, and I like to add $200 or $300 to my Roth IRA. So I have about $400 or $600 going to my brokerage account, Fidelity, in total. So find out how much money you're able to put to your accounts. Now, if you're able to put $50 to your account, that's fine. Just start. Like, literally just get started by putting $50 to your account. So transfer $50 from your saving or checking account to your Roth IRA. Okay? So now we have $50 in our Roth IRA. What are we going to do with this money that we just transferred? We're going to decide where to invest this $50 now. So we want to invest this $50 into the S&P 500. It's a collection of the top 500 companies in the U.S. It's always on the rise. It has a historical return of about 7-10%. And the last 2 years, it's been on the rise. Like, it's been up there. It's been crazy. The returns have been crazy with the S&P 500. It's almost a guaranteed return. The S&P 500 is literally the stock market. So if you invest in the S&P 500, you're investing into Tesla. You're investing into Nvidia. You're investing into Apple. You're investing into all the big companies that you know about by investing into the S&P 500. I'm not all knowing, so I'm going to read them literally off my phone. Like, you can find this stuff so easily. So some of the main S&P 500 ETFs is VOO, which is what I invest in. I put a lot of money into VOO because, like I said, when you invest into the S&P 500, when you invest into these investments that track the S&P 500, you're guaranteed a 7 to 10% rate of return. I mean, yes, it's going to be downtime, but generally it rises. So by investing in the S&P 500, you can't go wrong. So VOO, SPY, IVV. I've never heard of IVV. Don't just listen to me. Look into these investments, look into these ETFs before you actually just go invest in something. Be sure that it matches your investment goals. So FXAIX. I invest into FXAIX, Fidelity's S&P 500, and I have a lot of money into that too. So I have a lot of money into VOO, and I have a lot of money into FXAIX. You can't go wrong by investing into the S&P 500. And then Schwab SWPPX. These are all solid investments, I'm sure, because they track the S&P 500. But look into them before you actually just go blindly putting money into them because I said so. How we transfer money from our checking account to our Roth or our taxable brokerage account, we're going to then put that $50 and invest it or trade it into VOO, FXAIX, or any of the other investments that I listed. And we're gonna put, like I said, $50, $100, it doesn't matter. But one of the biggest things you need to do is be consistent. If you're going to do $50 for January, then you need to do $50 for February, $50 for March, $50 for April, and continue that throughout your career, throughout your time until you retire. Be consistent with your investments. Now, I'm not saying you have to stick to that 50 forever, but you might have to drop down to 40 or 10, but always be consistent and invest into your future. That's something that I just did. So I was putting about $700 into my after-tax retirements, split between my brokerage account and my Roth IRA. But I just lowered it because I want to put more money to saving, but I'm going to continue to invest. Like, I'm going to stay consistent in investing. The amount might not be the same, but the consistency, the action is still the same. The consistent action of investing money into my retirement is not going to change for me. So stay consistent with your investment. Even when the market drops, I'm still investing, and you should too. So the market might drop, might dip like crazy, but it doesn't matter. We're still investing because we are investing in the long run. We're going for 10 plus years, 10, 15, 20 plus years of investing. So if the market dips a few days or 1 year, it doesn't really matter to us because we are investing for our future. And that's really it. That's the simple steps to investing. It literally takes you maybe 5 to 10 minutes to set up an account. And then to actually transfer your money, it might take a day or two for the money to actually get into your account. And then you can trade immediately, and the money might actually start growing or dipping depending on what's going on with the market, maybe the same day or the next day. But it literally takes you 2 to 3 days to actually start investing for your future. And I promise you, when you start investing for your future, you're going to feel better about your finances once you see your accounts grow and start to build this compound interest. Investing is not this secret club. You don't have to have a finance degree to begin investing into your future. I'm telling you, it's really simple steps. And you can listen to me in this video, or you can go on Google and type in how to invest. Go to ChatGPT, how to invest $50, and they're gonna tell you the same thing I told you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So that is really it, guys. So I hope you're able to take something from this video and start investing today. Hopefully whoever's watching this video began to invest, because I said this is the day to start investing. 2025 is your year to start investing for your future, whether it's $25, $100, $1,000, it doesn't matter, just get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.